chào, Ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel with Mom Cooking. Today I will show you how to make kimchi Napa pickle. So you will need Napa, you will need chai. If you don't have chai, you can use red onion. Also you will need some bell pepper, some carrots. I don't have daikon today, but you just use carrots. Also you need some ginger, Thai chili, onions. You can use bubble or white onions. You will need some salt. You can use the pink one or the white one you have. Also you will need this called red pepper powder. So we can chop the Napa now in half. It's so big. And this one cut half. Oh, it's too heavy. This one cut half. Like this. And then you cut the core up. So now you cut the pieces like this bit, or you cut how you want. Look like this thing. So after finish cutting, I put 2 tablespoons of salt in the Napa, and you just do this, just mix well. Make sure the Napa coat the sauce, and then you can cover the Napa first. Before you cover, you just put this one on top of it, and you use saran wrap, cover the Napa, and let the Napa sit about 5 hours. I will show you how to pickle the Napa. So when we're waiting for the Napa, we will cut some bell pepper like this much. You put in here. You can blend them together. You will need some ginger. Take out the skin. Then we will make the base for the kimchi. I forgot to tell you, we will need some sugar too. I love ginger, so I maybe put more ginger in here. Hard you that. Be careful. Can you use the knife? Put in here. If you don't like spicy, just use bell pepper. But I love spicy, and I use 4 Thai chili. I don't know. Maybe half. Maybe all of it. I use 4 Thai chili in here. Also, I think this one. Okay. So this one you can use like 6 cloves of garlic, 3, 6. or 7 is okay too. And then blend ginger, garlic, onions, and bell pepper, Thai chili together to make the base. After we blend, we have this base. And now we will need, let me put the sugar out first. We will need 4 spoons of sugar. Check your taste. If you want sweet, you don't like sweet, just less or add more. But hopefully you can find this spoon. Also, I can weigh and write down the bottom of my video and help you out. So 4 spoons of sugar. I will use. So you can use any kind of fish sauce, but this one I love it because this brand really yummy. So I use 4 spoons of fish sauce. And now we will use rye vinegar. We will use 5 or 6 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will use 5 first, just in case. And then you mix well. And now we can put the base and the sauce inside the refrigerator and wait until Napa ready. And I tell you, if you like more sour, put some more rye vinegar. And now I will show you how to cut the carrots, and we will add chives, carrot, some chili powder, easy, simple. You don't need to cook a sticky flour. You don't need to buy apple or pear. Also, you don't need to buy some dry shrimp. A lot of style, but this is this way is pretty simple. Like you just make like pickle Napa, simple way. Hopefully, and then this tastes really good. So hopefully you like it and thumb up for me. Okay, now we put this one in the refrigerator, and I will show you how to cut the carrot. So you can put daikon too, because today I don't know. I forgot the daikon. But still good. And then cut like this, sideways. Look like this. Thin, not so thick. Now you just cut, if you can, you just cut super thin. Look like this. So you just continue cut all of it. So finish the carrot. Look, like this thing. And this chive, you just cut like this. Not too long, not too small. Beautiful color. Also, if you don't have chive, you can use green onions. And I just use a little onion because I already have some in the base. So now we can cut the onion super thin. Super thin. Super thin. Some onion. That's it. The vegetable we put in with Napa. I still have 1 more hour for the Napa ready. That's it. After 5 hours, the Napa look like this. Sit. So you check like this. No problem. The Napa good. Super soft, and look, a lot of water here. So now I will rinse under cold water about 3 or 4 times. So after that I will put in here. We have to try the Napa until no more water inside the Napa. So after 4 times wash under cold water, now I need to try the Napa. Make sure the Napa no water. Little heavy. Dump the water out. See, still have some on the water. More water. That much, right? Okay, let me see. Make sure. 1 second. Make sure dry enough. So look real good. No more water. Look around. Little work. But if we do correct, kimchi super yummy. Try to make sure. Look. No more water, super dry. So now the time we put on the vegetable we chopped before in here. Looks so yummy already. Look, so nice. I am so excited. So here we have some chili, Korean chili. I get 4 spoons in here. 4 spoons in here. Make a mat. So remember the base we made? You can put all things in here. Little bit right here first. Look, amazing. With the sauce inside. So we mix well. Amazing. You put in the refrigerator 1 or 2 days. You can enjoy it. You can make the with noodles. You can eat with bulgogi. Make some soup. Even just rice. And I have on the video to show you how to make rice, how to make noodle, how to make bulgogi. Let's check this out. It smells amazing. Look, already hungry. Hopefully you save recipes and follow step by step. Success and happy with my recipe. Thumb up and support my channel. Remember, I tell you, if you love sour or sweet, you just add more or less. So just add a little bit first and check your flavor before putting your vegetable. Also check when you water Napa, rinse real well the water, no more water, no more salty. That's a secret. So thank you for watching. See you next time. Look, this is amazing. Don't forget to support my channel and thumb up for me.